Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video for a tier 1 Safecracking Quest for my brown belt video. So I have 4 different combination locks here, all master combination locks. Slightly different technique for each of them, although kind of variations on the same idea. Basically tensioning, finding a binder, looking for, well, I guess finding a binder on this one, and then on these tensioning and just feeling for the gates. Anyway, I'm just gonna go through, and for each of them I'll set a combination, blind, and open it. Decode it and open it. So let's start with this guy. I don't remember the model number, 870 something. It's set to 0000 right now. I'm going to open it, put it into the change position, set it to a random combination, and then shuffle that. And let's see, so for this one, there's potential on the shackle, and feel for something that feels like it's in a gate. I think that third one is. I don't think I have enough tension on that. There you go. Might have already gotten lucky. That definitely feels like it is. It could be. Yeah. Okay, that one's definitely good. So we got the second 2. That feels pretty solid. I'm just gonna try brute forcing that last one because I think we have the other 3. There we go. 3377 is what it ended up being. Okay, so that's that style. Next, I have this key box. I forget the model number. I don't remember. Anyway, set to 0000 right now, so we can use this to reset it. Okay, I'm gonna cover that with my hand so I can close it. Let's see if I can do this. There, I can close it. I don't want to shut. Oh, I didn't undo my mistake. Okay, so it should be set now to a random number. And close it, shuffle it, flip it over. And for this one, there's a rod about here that we can grab with this tool, just a standard pick, like medium hook, some tension on it, and kind of rotate these guys. And when you find the right number, it's pretty obvious. I felt like one. Gotta lighten up a little tension each time. Oh, that guy. Let's try moving to this side. These. That was definitely that one. Yeah, the second one was really giving me a bit of a hard time there. There we go. It's definitely that. That seems right. Pretty sure those first three are right. Let's check the last one again. No, that's not right. That felt right from here. If we're not right, I think we'll just, oh, there we go. 3083 was that one. So pretty quick. I said just keep tension on the rod. As you spin it, when it hits the right number, it goes from being super tense to pretty loose and jiggly. And lastly, got this bike lock. Little different, but basically the same here. What we'll do here, put this like that. I'm just gonna kind of, I cannot see the side here. I'll cover it with my hand, I guess, to do what I can to make it as blind as possible. Okay, I'm gonna lock it, spin it. That should be pretty random. Okay, for this one, these bind sequentially. They seem to go from right to left. So basically I can just pull and I can see that 1 and 2 are both binding. Basically, I'm gonna go, hold on. I'm gonna look for a number that I can put it on where the second disc doesn't really bind, if that makes sense. Or sorry, does bind. So when I'm on 1, the second disc is now binding. So now I'm gonna rotate. I'm gonna make sure this isn't binding. It's not. So I'm gonna rotate the second disc and see if these are binding. They're not. I'll keep just rotating that second disc and checking to see if the third one's binding, or wheel, I should say, whatever. This one, I assume this is the technique other people use. The other two, I did do a little reading. This one I just picked up and kind of fiddled with and figured this out myself, but I don't think I figured anything special out there. It's not that complicated. Why am I not? if my 1 was actually wrong. Let's try this again. Yeah, I'm able to rotate that second one. I might have been wrong on that. Let's check the other ones. Hands also get a little tired. Feels pretty. This was working for me off camera, of course. That's good. That looks like that's binding. All right, so 7. I don't know what happened there, but it's a little tight. Try that 3 again. Yeah, that seems pretty tight. Okay. So now we rotate that 3rd one from the right. There's a little molded thing right here that's digging into my hand. Makes this not the most comfortable. Okay, let's just double check. Tight. Let me just check those. At a certain point, I feel like I'm forcing and not picking it, so I don't like to do that. But okay, give me just a second with my hands here. It's much faster off camera, of course. That feels right. let's have our own number. Okay. Try this again. My arms are just getting weak from pulling. That's the problem. Should probably find a better way to tension this that doesn't involve forearm strength. There we go. That's the right one. Okay, 9/7 of the second two. Yeah, that feels better. Oh, goodness. Okay, what do we got here? Lot. There. There we go. Jeez, that took longer than I expected. 5097. I really think most of the problem there was literally my forearms not being as strong as they were when I was doing it earlier. I think it would be better probably put this in a vise and just pull with one arm and spin, or maybe use some kind of a tool to put tension on it. But anyway, that did work. So yeah, pretty similar. I mean, basically you're talking tension on the wheels, spin them until you either feel the gate or it binds. Hopefully that's a good tier 1 quest. All right, thank you.